Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Karisma Hakim, my NPMR 070. I'm from class R4E. Today, I'm going to talk about edutainment, which is a combination of two words, education and entertainment. This concept brings learning and fun together, so people can understand new ideas or skill in a way that feels enjoyable and engaging. In a world full of direction, education offers a creative way to keep audience interested while still delivering meaningful content. Definition of education. Education refers to any content that is designed to both educate and entertain. It can be found in many forms like TV programs, YouTube videos, learning apps, games, and even museum exhibits. The goal is to make learning fun and less intimidating, especially for young people or those who get bored with traditional methods. History of education. The term education became popular in the 1990s. Programs like Sesame Street were among the first successful examples, teaching numbers and letters to children through songs and fun characters. Today, education has expanded into the digital world, from interactive apps to social media content. Form of education. The first is educational cartoon. The second is learning apps. The next is gamified online course. The next is interactive museum exhibits. And the last TikTok and YouTube educational content. Education comes in many forms. For example, apps like Duolingo make language learning feel like a game. Platforms like TikTok and YouTube have creators who teach history, science, or grammar in a humorous way. Museums always use interactive teach to teach victories without making it feel like a lecture. Benefit and challenge. The first is benefit. First is makes learning fun, interactive attention and retention, apples to all age. The last is encourages creative thinking. Education has many benefits. It helps people, especially students, to enjoy learning because the content is fun. It's easier to remember. It's also useful for different age group and can be adapted to different subjects. More importantly is it encourages people to think creatively and explore knowledge on their own. The next is challenge. Challenge is too much fun to lead learning. The next is hard to measure real outcomes. The last is needs balance and good designs. Although education is useful, it also has some challenges. Sometimes the content can become more entertaining than educational, which weakens the learning. That's why it's important to balance fun with real content and make sure the audience still gains valuable knowledge. Education in the classroom. The first is using video games role plays. The second is planning formal education with media. The last is boosts engagement and motivation. Many teachers use education in the classroom to make lesson more interactive. Instead of only using textbook, they use video games or even classroom role play. This approach builds student interest, reduce boredom, and improve motivation to learn. The next is education in daily life. The first is podcasts while communicating, YouTube learning while relaxing, and the last language apps as daily habit. We also use education in our daily life. like watching educational YouTube video while relaxing, listening to podcasts during commute, commute, commuted, or using language apps every night before bed. It proves that learning doesn't have to be boring or limited to classrooms. Next is real-life examples. The first is crash course, like fast-paced animated learning. The next is Duolingo, like game-based language learning. The third is Khan Academy, like visual learning with simple explanation. And the last, TikTok educators. There are many great examples of education in action. Crash course examples complex topics like history and biology with animation. Duolingo turns language learning into a game. Can Academy breaks down topic visually. Even TikTok has creators who share quick facts, grammar tips, or historical stories in just 1 minute. And the last is conclusion. In conclusion, education is an effective and modern approach to learning. It proves that education doesn't have to be serious all the time. With creativity, with Creatify and the right tools, we can make knowledge more accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Okay, this is clear enough for my presentation. Thank you for watching and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.